What's up, my royal flush? It is I, Jet Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. In today's video is going to be on how all the drugstore skincare items that I purchased from my recent drugstore skincare haul, how they affected my skin, what happened, what each of them did for my skin, and which each of them didn't, you know, different stuff like that. So if that's something that you're interested in, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you will not be disappointed in my future uploads. And also hit that bell notification button. Since you're down there, you might as well hit that button, you know. And also that thumbs up button since you're down there as well to, you know, show support, you know. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Now the first thing I'm going to be talking about is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Now, as I told y'all before, I've never actually used the actual Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I always use like a knockoff equivalent of it, like the Walmart's equivalent of it, or the Dollar General, or the Family Dollar's equivalent of it. I never actually used the one by Cetaphil, and this is better than all of the knockoffs. Like, I'm telling y'all right now, because I've tried the knockoff. I tried to go the cheaper route, but I will always come back to this now because it is really, really good. Like, oh my god. Like, this is one of the best skin cleansers I've ever used on my skin, period. But the only bad, like, of course, there's something that I don't like about it, but there's one thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't foam up or soap up. Like, if it foamed or soaked up, it makes me feel like it's actually cleaning, but this does not do it because it says that it had, I read it, let me see. Yeah, soap-free cleanser. Yeah, it doesn't have soap in it. You know, soap causes it to foam up. So it doesn't have it in there. So if you're expecting that from this, it doesn't have it. So if you're expecting that from this, don't pick it up. But if you don't really care, but once you rinse it off, your skin feels amazing. It feels so soft because of how gentle it is. And I feel like it also adds a little moisture to your skin as well. And yeah, so that's what it basically did. It really kind of like cleared up my skin. I've been using it every single day and every single night. So it kind of like just cleared up my skin. I wouldn't say that it did it itself, but all of it, you know, I'm just about to say that for the end of the video. So the next thing I want to talk about is the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. This thing, y'all have to go pick this up. Funny thing about me getting this is because I was literally like running. I was at the register and I was like running like, oh my god, I need an exfoliator. So I seen this, I grabbed it, I picked it, I'm looking like St. Ives, I've seen this before. My niece has like 3 bottles of St. Ives with the old packaging. This is the new packaging, I'm guessing, because it says new look on the top, it says new look. Y'all, the first night that I used this is literally so freaking good. When I used this that night, when I scrubbed it, I put too much on. But when I used it, my skin has never been so smooth after that, like after any kind of scrub I've ever did. Like, I'm telling y'all the truth. I'm not trying to, this is not biased. I mean, you know, this isn't a biased review. I'm telling y'all the truth. It was so smooth. I feel like this adds moisture as well as scrubbing your skin. And when I have to get into like my nose, because my nose really starts to peel, like it will start to peel, and like it will be like I get a lot of buildup in my nose because my nose is the most oiliest part of my body, like really. So I get a lot of buildup, and this literally got all of it out of there. And it smells like apricots. When you first put it on your skin to scrub, it's like kind of overwhelming, like bam, like right in your face. But you kind of get used to it. It also leaves like a good smell after you're done as well. So yeah, y'all should definitely go pick this up. So the next thing I want to talk about is toner. Now this is the Dickinson's Enriched Witch Hazel, the hydrating toner. Now this y'all saw this in my drugstore. Now when I put this, y'all, like I've used witch hazel before. I lost that like 2 months ago. I've used alcohol to use it as a toner, but I heard you can't do that. I tried it, but it worked for me, you know. But I used an actual toner maybe 2 years ago. I used an actual toner on my skin. This is the first actual toner since then. and this toner is really, really good. Like, my pores have gotten a lot smaller. I don't know if y'all can't see, obviously y'all too far, but my pores have gotten a lot smaller, even though it's only been a week though, so it's not like it's been a month. So far I can see a big change in my pores. They've really gotten smaller since me using this, and I'm about to just continue to use this for like a month, and then I'm gonna come back with a full-on review about this. If you guys want a full-on review about certain products in this video, go ahead and leave a comment down below, by the way. But I'm going to come back like a month later and do a full-on review about this. So far, from a week, this has been an amazing toner. So now the next thing I want to talk about is a moisturizer, and this is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer. This moisturizer is so good. I've been using this for a week now. I've been using all these products for a week, so I'm just giving y'all like a 1 week update. And literally, when you put it on, it smells so good, by the way. It smells so good. And it's like a thick cream. But if you don't like a thick cream moisturizer, this is not the one for you. I would say pick up the hydrated one, which is a looser, thinner form of it. And this is really good. You can use it as a mask, you can use it as a nighttime moisturizer, you can use this as a daytime moisturizer. And I would say that definitely go pick this up. It leaves your skin like looking kind of like dewy like this, basically it's leaving your skin popping basically. So why wouldn't y'all want to pick this up? I will do a full-on review about this soon. I don't know when, but when I put this on my schedule, I would definitely do a full-on review where I actually go in depth to describe like what it actually did to my skin and stuff like that. So now the next thing, this is the final thing I want to talk about for this weekly, update. What happened is the e.l.f. Daily Moisturizer. Now I've been using this every single day except for today. Yeah, I didn't use it today. That's weird. I've been using this every single day except for today. Today. And this is really good. Like it smells like a cheap kind of like lotion, but it works. Like it leaves your skin looking like this, but I added this to it as well, but it leaves your skin looking like this without that, and it's very light and very good. I've been seeing this, of course, I told y'all in my haul video, I've seen this everywhere, in Walmart, Walgreens, and I always wanted to pick it up, and I finally did, and I would say it's very good. Like, you can use this as a nighttime moisturizer. You don't actually have to use this as a daytime moisturizer, and it looks like this. It's very thick, and I'm just about to apply some. It smells really refreshing. Smells really refreshing. I would definitely say go pick that up. So that is basically it for this video, you guys. It's just been a week since I've been using these products, so I cannot actually go into depth of how I actually feel about them just yet, because they're a part of my routine now. So in like a month, I will probably come back with a video similar to this, but it will be like more because I've actually had time to actually describe what did what to my skin. Also, it's been a week since I've been using these products, and my skin is clear. Like, it's basically clear. I have a few, like one breakout right here, but to last week I had like three, like 1, 2, 3, like pimples coming out the woodworks, like out of nowhere. But since I've been using these products, literally, my pimples aren't even coming back. Like, I literally don't have anything. The texture on my forehead is gone again, which I'm happy about. But because I'm kind of insecure about the texture on my forehead, because back in high school I had a lot of texture on my forehead. I'm pretty sure if y'all watched my videos before, I've talked about this before. But my texture is gone once again, which I'm pretty happy and excited about. And yeah. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a nice one.